Hello, my name is Marty. I'm a hairdresser at Salon Republic. I work in Studio 1A. Today we're working with Amber. We're going to teach her how to curl her hair with a curling iron the right way. They make several different size curling irons. It doesn't matter what size you want. The bigger you use, the bigger the curl. The smaller you use, the smaller the curl. And you can literally section your hair to get a big part of it out of the way. Take one piece, comb it out so it's nice and smooth. Apply your product lightly. Take your curling iron and simply wrap it, and you've got your tip to hold it onto. Take your next section. Doesn't matter what size, how big, how small. The main thing is that you've got your protectant from the heat of the curling iron. Comb it through. Take your curling iron. Wrap it around the iron, take the hair, wrap it around the iron. Couple of seconds. And that's how you curl hair with a curling iron.